Car drivers tell you to ride here in the middle of the lane. This is called bullshit. This is where you get all the build-up of debris, all the oil, glass, metal, rough road and potholes. Where you want to ride is here. This is where, obviously if there's potholes or anything in the way or an obstruction or bends, you want to change your position. But generally speaking, you want to ride here. This is where the car tires go from trucks and cars. They keep this bit of road clean and clear of most debris. Most of the rocks and stones are going to be gone because car tires will get rid of them. This also gives you the best visibility of what's ahead of you. It also gives you the best place to sit on your bike so you've got the most space to move if there is a danger coming towards you. So you've got plenty of space on your left hand side, plenty of space on your right hand side. You do not want to go right on the white line because those fuckers are slippery. You don't want to go in the middle of the lane because it's going to be full of crap. You do not want to go too close to the gutter because that is basically saying to car drivers, I don't exist, you can push me into the fucking hedge. Here endeth the rant.